Hi there, my name is Boris, we my channel as usual, and let's go. So today I was at work, and as we remember about this, it's a dealership to buying a car for clients, for people. And so winter is coming, and I think about this, and I think about to buy a car, and I looking for variants, some different brands, some different models, and I was in our dealership today. I'm looking for variants and requirements to buy with the credit, and I got some offer for me for one car, and it's not it's not a perfect deal, because it's this situation has pluses and minuses, and I don't know what's what's decided, and my wife also not so glad and so happy about this idea, because she um, thinks about we can not to buy a car and spend uh, some count of money for taxi and be happy. It's good point of view. I understand. It's good point of view, and I have to think a lot of. But what about our offer to buy a new car in our dealership? It's a Kia brand. So I have to pay 30% from price. It's my first pay, and it will be, for example, it will be 4 million tenge. It's $8,000, and it will be uh, 30% from price. Last part of this price, I will have to pay. I will have to pay every month, and it will be something around less than $1,000 every month, 2 years, and percent from bank for 2 years will be $2,000. This price, it will be percent of bank for my credit. So something around $1,000 every month for your car. For Kazakhstan, it's not good price, and also I have some good I earn good amount of money for a living for my family. It's higher level uh, than mediana, but also for me it's a little pain to pay um, something around $1,000 every month for a car. And if we will be use taxi every day with my wife, or maybe day after day, we will waste more. We will waste for our comfort, for our activities in the city, go to work, go after work, go with something my deals in the city, go to visit to my mom, all these activities, it will be on a taxi. I will spend something around maybe half of 1000. It's a higher, it's a most higher variant, but I think usual it will be something around um, something around 300, $300 or $400 every month. And yeah, it's less than 1000 every month if we choose variant with a bike car. But you know, after 2 years I got my own car, and after 2 years it will be not bad car, and it will be guarantee saved for 2 years. It will be saved guarantee from a dealer for this car. But in other hand, we have I have this need to have a car uh, only half of the year, only 6 months of the year, when we have autumn, winter, and first part of summer, spring, sorry, spring. Uh, and yes, in this point of view, it looks like, why do you need a car for half of the year, and second part of the year you will drive motorcycle? Yes, and it's my problem. I don't know how it will be, because I have some opportunity to buy a new car, and it will be not perfect choice with my spends of money for 2 years. And second variant, I can spend money for a taxi, uh, but in the end of this way I spent half of this part of all this money, and I have no car in the end. uh, Write me about this. What do you think about this situation? What do you think about this exercise, this task? And what will you choose about this situation? And thank you for watching today. See ya tomorrow. Bye.